Today, I'm bringing you some beautiful website design using vibe coding on the Ready platform. This is a free platform, so stick around. I'm going to teach you exactly how to literally create your own portfolio website in a couple minutes. Let's dive into it. So this is Ready, and as we can see here, these guys make websites that stand out and can be built and published in literally a matter of minutes. There's no drag and drop here, no coding. You simply just talk to an AI, you tell it what you want, and it creates it for you. Here you can see an example of that working. If we go back here, you can see all of the different things you can make with this. That includes apps, that includes websites, and there's lots of versatility here that you can be tapping into to create your perfect website. Now, they've also got a bunch of templates here you can choose from and actually just work right off the bat. So here we can see we've got a consulting page, we've got coaching, we've got some e-commerce here as well. Lots of different options that we can be basically getting involved with and making our own AI websites. This is going to be way better and way cheaper than actually getting involved with a developer, a graphical designer, etc., etc. So good stuff there. Now let's log into the platform and actually show you one example of one thing I've made here. Now, the way you would do this is type in your prompt here, you press generate, it's going to generate the website for you. Now, if you want this site to be more mobile friendly, you can click mobile or you can click desktop. Or if you're a little bit more lazy and you don't want a prompt, that's absolutely fine. You can bring up these templates and actually just pick one as we talked about earlier and just go ahead and edit it. But let's actually take a look at one I made earlier because super simple, super easy to get this going. So I've put in a prompt here, as you can see, create a sleek modern website for Hamilton's video editing portfolio. The site should feature a clean, dark themed design with a focus on showcasing high quality video projects. Include sections for an about page highlighting Hamilton's skills and experience, a portfolio gallery with embedded video reels, and project descriptions. Now, this is the prompt I gave. It then gave a full layout in a very concise bullet point format for me. And then, yes, all I had to do was press generate. From that point, we can see this is the site. And in fact, let's just open up this site right now so you can see how good this thing really is. So off the bat, it's generated its own image in the background. Okay, we can see a beautiful kind of kicker landing page for the beginning. And then if we scroll down here, we can see a portfolio here of me talking about what I've done. And honestly, this doesn't look too far different from me from a generated image. So pretty impressed on that point. But we can see here technical skills. It's got a nice little chart here for my skills in different editing softwares. We can even download my CV with this button here. And we've got a bunch of other stuff that this is all done automatically from one prompt in 1 minute. That is ridiculous. Now, if we're going to click one of these, let me just show you what I mean. Let's just click one of these projects. You can see, boom, it's got a video here. Obviously, I'm going to need to replace this video. We don't want this here, of course, but it's also got a description of the video. It's got the type, it's got the client, and it's got the date of that video as well. So good stuff there. Really, really nice from Ready.ai. Now, if we go back to this, what we can do is actually go in and edit some text if we want. So what we're going to do here is actually scroll down in the site. We're going to click this selector button. And if we wanted to edit this text, then we can just click the text button, change this to whatever we want. So we can say top tier video designer, editor, boy. Okay, and then that's going to show up here. Obviously, the AI is going to replace that for us. You can see it's thinking, and then boom, it's actually going to go in and change that for us. So great way to edit here. And if we scroll down, boom, it's come up, top tier video designer, editor boy. Now, if we wanted to change this or we don't like what we've done here, this isn't like other platforms where you're going to have this whole issue of rolling back or it forgetting what you're doing, etc. What you can do is go to the bottom left-hand side here and actually go back to previous versions of your website. So every edit you make, it's going to come up with a different version. We can just roll back to what we want super easily here without any fretting at all. You can see it's rolled back and that has now changed. So good stuff there. But that is basically the gist of this website designing. And honestly, guys, there is so much more you can do with this, like connecting your data, collecting with forms here, and obviously publishing the site, which you can do and actually give it your own domain. in which, yes, you would put that domain, link it up, and then publish. No problems there. So good stuff from Ready AI. Definitely one of the best ones out there when it comes to AI generation. And we can also export to Figma or Create if we want. And we can even see the code, edit the code, or even copy and download the code if we did want to go ahead and make changes or give it to a professional developer. But honestly, guys, this feature I feel like isn't needed that much because AI is progressing so much here, guys, that, yeah, I mean, it's just done everything for us anyway. I don't see any changes that a developer can make compared to what we're looking at right here. So good stuff there, really top tier designed website, everything I would need for a portfolio. This isn't just limited to that. You can do full on e-commerce stores, you can do blogs, you can do articles and stuff like this, absolutely fine. And you can do it all with Ready AI. So that is Ready AI. Definitely check them out in the description. That's going to be it from me. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out and goodbye.